I welcome the strong consensus forged by Prime Minister Sharif and Pakistan's leaders about the importance of combating all terrorists, terror groups like the Pakistani and Afghan Taliban, the Haqqani Network, Lashkar-e-Taiba, and other groups continue to pose a threat not just to Pakistan and its neighbors, but also to the United States and the world. Pakistani forces deserve enormous credit for the ongoing military operations that they have already undertaken in North Waziristan and elsewhere. And these operations have already produced significant results. But make no mistake, the task is a difficult one, and it is not done. We all have a responsibility to ensure that these extremists are no longer able to secure a foothold in this country or elsewhere.
As far as Haqqani Network is concerned, since after the North Waziristan operation, their infrastructure is totally destroyed, and our commitment to Afghanistan not to allow our territory to be used against any other country would not have been possible unless we had taken this operation in North Waziristan. So to that extent, their ability to operate from here across to Afghanistan is virtually disappeared. As far as other groups are concerned, as times come, you will see how the operation, this National Action Plan moves forward and how action is taken. But the policy guidelines and the direction is very clear.